back to Homes Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to elevating your living spaces. Today, we're diving into a topic that is as functional as it is aesthetic for outdoor space, the modern retaining wall design ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you have a sloped yard, drainage issues, or simply want to create more defined and beautiful outdoor areas, this video is for you. We're going to demystify modern retaining walls, showing you how they can transform your landscape. Let's start with a fundamental question. What exactly defines a modern retaining wall design? At its core, a retaining wall is a structural barrier engineered to hold back soil and prevent erosion on sloped terrain. This is crucial for stabilizing your landscape, managing water runoff, and creating level, usable spaces. However, the modern aspect moves beyond mere functionality. Modern retaining wall design emphasizes clean lines, often minimalist aesthetics, and an integration with the surrounding landscape rather than standing out as a stark, separate element. Unlike older, more utilitarian retaining walls that might appear bulky or purely functional, modern designs prioritize sleekness and visual harmony. They often feature thoughtful material choices, precise construction, and a less obtrusive presence. Think less about a purely practical dirt barrier and more about a purposeful architectural feature that enhances your outdoor living areas. It's about creating an extension of your modern home into the outdoor environment, where form and function merge seamlessly. Now that we understand what a modern retaining wall is, let's explore the substantial benefits of incorporating one into your property. The advantages extend far beyond simply holding back soil. Firstly, and perhaps most critically, a modern retaining wall provides superior erosion control and slope management. Sloped yards are prone to soil erosion, especially during heavy rainfall. This is a vital investment in the longevity of your outdoor space. Secondly, these walls dramatically expand usable outdoor space. Uneven or steeply sloped areas can be unusable. By creating level terraces or raised beds, a retaining wall transforms these challenging zones into functional areas for gardens, patios, outdoor kitchens, or children's play areas. This effectively increases your property's footprint and enhances your outdoor living experience. Thirdly, modern retaining walls contribute significantly to improved water drainage. They can be designed to redirect natural water flow, preventing pooling and runoff that can cause damage. Integrated drainage systems within the wall itself ensure water is managed effectively, maintaining the health of your soil and plants. Finally, and this is where the modern aspect truly shines, they offer enhanced aesthetic appeal and increased property value. A thoughtfully designed modern retaining wall adds architectural interest, depth, and structure to your landscape. It creates visual layers, defines spaces, and can serve as a stunning focal point. This elevates your home's curb appeal, making it more attractive and, ultimately, increasing its market value. It's an investment that pays dividends in both functionality and visual impact. Once your modern retaining wall is constructed, the next step is to make it truly shine. How do you decorate your modern retaining wall design to ensure it looks its absolute best and complements your overall home aesthetic? One of the most effective ways is through strategic landscaping and planting. Consider plants that cascade over the wall, softening its hard lines and adding organic texture. Succulents, trailing ground covers, or flowering vines can create a lush, inviting look. For a more structured approach, integrate built-in planters directly into the wall design, allowing you to showcase specific plants or create tiered garden beds. Integrated lighting is another powerful design element. Low-voltage LED strip lights can be recessed into the wall or placed along its base to highlight its texture and create a warm ambience in the evenings. Downlighting from above can also create dramatic shadows and emphasize the wall's structure. Don't overlook the importance of decorative capstones or seating ledges. A contrasting capstone material can add a finished, polished look, while a wider capstone can double as an informal seating area, transforming the wall into a functional part of your outdoor living space. Finally, consider mixing materials or incorporating architectural details. While the wall itself might be primarily concrete or stone, adding accents of wood, metal, or even decorative art can introduce visual interest and personalize the design, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your modern home decor. Choosing the right material is paramount to achieving a successful modern retaining wall design. The material not only dictates the aesthetic but also influences durability, cost, and installation complexity. So, what are the best materials for a modern retaining wall design? One, poured concrete is a leading choice for contemporary designs. Its versatility allows for sleek, seamless finishes, and it can be poured into various shapes and colored to match your existing palette. Reinforced concrete offers exceptional strength and durability, making it ideal for taller or more demanding applications. It also allows for custom details like integrated lighting channels or unique textures. 2. Natural stone, while a timeless material, can be utilized in modern designs through precise cuts, dry stacking techniques, or by selecting stones with a more minimalist aesthetic, such as bluestone or granite. The key is in the execution, emphasizing clean lines and sophisticated arrangements rather than rustic, irregular patterns. 3. Segmental concrete blocks have evolved significantly. Modern SRW blocks come in large formats, various colors, and textures that mimic natural stone or concrete, offering a durable and often more cost-effective solution with a contemporary appeal. Their interlocking nature provides stability and relatively easier installation. 4. For a distinct industrial modern look, gabion walls are an excellent option. These are wire cages filled with rocks, gravel, or even recycled materials. They offer excellent drainage, are environmentally friendly, and create a visually striking, textured wall that complements contemporary landscapes. Finally, number 5, COR10 steel or weathering steel provides a unique, rustic modern aesthetic. This steel develops a stable, rust-like appearance over time, offering a warm, earthy tone that contrasts beautifully with green foliage and other modern materials. It's exceptionally durable and low maintenance, making it a popular choice for high-end contemporary designs. The choice of material should always consider your aesthetic preferences, local climate, budget, and the structural requirements of your specific project. And for the conclusion and to spark your inspiration, here are the top 10 of the best modern retaining wall design ideas that can truly elevate your outdoor space. 1. Sleek poured concrete retaining wall with integrated LED lighting. Imagine a smooth, unblemished concrete wall, perhaps in a charcoal gray or a warm off-white, with subtle LED strip lights seamlessly embedded along its base or beneath a capstone. This creates a sophisticated, almost gallery-like feel in the evening, highlighting the wall's clean lines and providing ambient illumination. 2. Tiered garden beds retaining wall with geometric blockwork. Utilize large format, modern concrete blocks to create multiple tiers of planting beds. Each tier can host different types of plants, creating a dynamic visual display. The geometric arrangement of the blocks adds a contemporary architectural element to your garden. 3. Gabion walls with polished river stones. For a raw, industrial chic look, gabion cages filled with uniformly sized, polished river stones or even broken concrete pieces offer a unique texture. This design provides excellent drainage and a striking contrast with softer landscaping elements. 4. COR10 steel terraces with drought-tolerant plantings. The rich, earthy rust patina of COR10 steel creates a warm, inviting backdrop. Use this material to define multi-level terraces, planting them with low-maintenance, drought-tolerant grasses, succulents, and architectural plants for a sustainable and visually impactful design. 5. Integrated seating walls with timber accents. Design your retaining wall to include built-in seating areas. A concrete or stone base can be topped with warm timber planks, offering a comfortable and stylish place to relax. This dual-purpose design maximizes functionality and integrates the wall into your outdoor living space. 6. Vertical garden walls on a retaining structure. Transform a retaining wall into a living work of art by incorporating a vertical garden system. This can be achieved with modular planters attached directly to the wall or by creating pockets within the wall itself, allowing plants to spill down in a lush, green cascade. 7. Minimalist white stucco walls with contrasting foliage. For a truly minimalist and contemporary aesthetic, consider a smooth, white stucco finish for your retaining wall. This clean canvas allows vibrant green foliage or colorful flowers to pop, creating a fresh, sophisticated look, especially against darker paving or decking. 8. Stacked natural stone with clean, modern lines. While natural stone can be traditional, using precisely cut and stacked stone, like limestone or basalt, with minimal grout lines creates a very contemporary feel. The natural texture adds depth, while the clean edges maintain a modern sensibility. 9. Water feature integration into a retaining wall. Elevate your design by incorporating a subtle water feature. A small, cascading waterfall built into the face of the wall, or a thin sheet of water flowing over a smooth surface, adds a tranquil auditory and visual element, turning the retaining wall into a serene focal point. 10. Mixed material design, concrete and wood slat panels. Combine the durability of concrete with the warmth of wood. Imagine a concrete base for the retaining wall, topped or accented with vertical timber slats. This juxtaposition of materials creates visual interest and a balanced, contemporary aesthetic. As you can see, modern retaining walls are far more than just structural necessities. They are opportunities to redefine your landscape, solve practical challenges, and significantly enhance the beauty and value of your home. From erosion control to creating stunning outdoor living spaces, the possibilities are vast when you approach retaining wall design with a modern vision. We hope this deep dive has given you valuable insights and inspiration for your own projects. If you're planning a landscape transformation, remember to consider how a well-designed modern retaining wall can be the cornerstone of your outdoor oasis. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert advice and inspiration on creating the home of your dreams. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment below with your favorite modern retaining wall idea or any questions you might have.